All right, so in this example, I'm using the exit ticket one. And with this, I can insert a couple of things in here. So I kind of just gave a kind of an idea of what we did. So we worked on the order of operations. We didn't do exponents. So I said I want them to work through some things, explain why they do the steps. And I had it auto-generate some learning outcomes right here. And I could give more description of my class here or what things that I want to get insights on. So here we go. So I'll just enter in some answers here. And we'll see if it gets me to looking at a problem here. We'll see if it will continue to prompt me why that's important. And we'll see if it helps me recognize the difference between multiplication and division. Okay, so that it's paired with division. They are kind of the same process. So that was great right there, because that's often a misconception, right? That in your acronym, PEMDAS, multiplication comes before division, addition before subtraction. And we'll see what it says if it catches the same thing here. Okay. I think someone might see a subtraction come first and want to skip over it until they have done the addition. And we'll see how it responds. Hopefully it thinks that's a good insight right there. Can I create a simple, so let's work through some of these. I'll show you some of the results. All right, so it asked me to come up with a question and then kind of told me how to solve it right here and kind of explaining why. So even though it might not have pulled me in deeper on explaining my thinking, it does just kind of help me work through those things. So this might not be the best example, and that's why I always encourage you to preview it first to make sure it's doing what you want, and then do some of this. So if I wanted more so of giving my students problems and having them explain which step they would do first, I can modify my instructions in here. Perhaps I wanted them to really look at a few different problems and explain the error or which operation was done out of order. I can modify that as well. So that's going to give you some good insights as far as an exit ticket.